I go, you go sell crack on the corner, you make money really fast. I go, so that's not the problem. Is not the making money part. That's the easy part. I go, but if you don't want to be a bad person, if you don't want to be a sleazy, well then that's a different conversation. If you want to be an honest person, and if you want to make money without ripping people off, I go, that's the difficult part. That's harder, right? Just the making money is easy, but we're trying to do it in a way that's honest, that we're helping people. But you're competing with people who are sleazy, for example, and who are kind of trying to play the system, and who are, trying to promise false things or whatever. And then that's what makes it difficult for honest people to compete with people like that.
Yeah.
So,
yeah, morals. Well, like with me, I don't know. I explained the other day in one of my live chats that, I'm super picky on the ways that I want to make money. I'm like, first world problems, I guess, right? Because I get, if you lived in a third world country, you're just like, I just need to make some money so we can eat.
Yeah.
But obviously we're much better than that here. Now we're like, oh, well, I don't want to make money in a sleazy way. I have morals, I have standards, or whatever. You know what I mean? Like, we have the luxury of doing that. And you should look at it as a luxury. You should appreciate it. You should be appreciative. But like with me, I'm like, I need to be doing stuff that fixes a problem. Like, I don't just want to make money. Like, money is not the
Well, it goes back to the same question. It's not just about making money. It's about doing something meaningful. It's about doing something useful. It's like those jerks who don't have any like real copyright for stuff. And they just go around filing lawsuits against people who say, "Oh, I own this thing. It's like they don't even make the thing.
Yeah.
They just somehow claim the copyright, and then they go around suing people who can't use it."
Yeah.
It's like those people are not creating any real value.
Yeah.
Right. And it's not in some philosophical ways. It's like, when you're really solving a problem and you're providing value, like that's useful. That's meaningful.
Well, the shorts, the stock, the short stocks or whatever. Those, what value do they offer? They're just forcing a stock to go up and down, and they're trying to make money on that. Like, that absolutely no value whatsoever. That's gambling, but not even just gambling. At least the gamblers don't have an actual input or effect on the thing that they're gambling on. These guys are gambling, and then they're going and affecting the thing that they're gambling on. Like, those are just scum. I mean, those people are just leeches, society's leeches. They offer nothing. They're just taking money from a system, right? So I'm like, that's one good example, and I'm,